Hi, Miss Pitugo. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. Good day. I am Maria Feteresa Sheila Pitugo. I am 33 years old from Colomoloc, South Cotabato, and I am married.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have 3 kids. One girl, age 15 years old, and 2 boys, ages 13 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and 4 sisters. I am the eldest child.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am a college graduate of 4-year course, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experience here in the Philippines for 3 years from February 2022 to February 2025. Doing ironing, cooking, marketing, laundry, and washing clothes, and beddings, then tutoring, and also took care of 2 children.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, cheerful, and loving mother.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family financially and save for the future of my kids.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
If it is small, sir, I am okay. But if it's big, I'm scared.
Okay, give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
Um, I talk to them with it in a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.